So guys, if you want to see and how I made this delicious fried apple pie, just continue to watch this video. I'm telling you, this right here is so good, so tasty. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Remember to share this video to your friends and to all your families and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite snack that I will order at McDonald's whenever I go. I'm gonna make apple pie. Yes. And I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay? So here I have at least 2.5 cups of plain flour here in my bowl. I've got some butter, and this is Lard butter. And this is the amount that I'm gonna use, guys. And I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, okay? And you're also gonna need some ice cold water. Make sure, yes. So I'm just breaking my butter. I'm just cutting it in some cubes, like so. So I'm gonna start off by adding all of my powder to my bowl. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. Now I'm gonna add my butter. And you're just gonna take your hands, guys, and you're just gonna press it all in, okay? Like so. So as soon as everything is all combined, now I'm just gonna add my water. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna make a hole and I'm just gonna pour the water. You don't want to add it all at once. You want to take your time, okay? Yes. And you want to mix it. Gonna add some more water. Guys, I will leave it below and how many water I'm using, okay? You can always go check the description. Add some more water. So this is what it's looking like, guys. If it's too sticky, you can always add some more flour to it, okay? Yes. I'm gonna add some more flour. Not a lot. Yeah. Then, guys, I'm just gonna put it in my fridge. You can put it in your fridge, guys, for at least 30 minutes or so. Yes. Just wrap it up with a cling film and put it to your fridge. Because the coldness, guys, is gonna make it have that nice crust to it. Yeah. So that's done. So now, guys, I'm gonna make my filling for my pie, okay? So in this bowl right here, I've got at least 5 apples, okay? And I'm using the green apple because these ones are good, guys, to cook with, okay? Yes, definitely get these ones. So what I did, I just, you know, peel it off. Yeah, you just want to remove all the skin from it because you don't want to, you know, leave no skin on it. And here I have at least 1 spoon of cinnamon powder and just half teaspoon of nutmeg. You don't need a lot, just a small amount. And I'm also gonna have half teaspoon of allspice. Yes. And this is my sugar, and I'm using the granulated sugar and brown sugar, and it's just over 1/4 cup. Yeah. So I'm gonna firstly add all my spices, and I'm also gonna add, guys, I just remember, some vanilla, at least 2 tablespoons of vanilla. With all my sugar. You just want to mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. And guys, you want to make sure that your apple is cut at least this size, because you don't want to cut it too big. So this is perfect, or maybe just a bit smaller than this. Yes. So this is all finished. I'm just gonna put it to the side. I'm telling you, the smell that coming from this, guys, it's so good. Super flavorful. That's perfectly done. So now, guys, I'm gonna cook my apple, and I'm just gonna start off by adding at least 2 spoons of butter to my pot. I'm just gonna allow it to melt. So after it is all melt, now I'm gonna add my apple. And you just wanna add it all. I wanna give it a stir. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my cornstarch, okay? This is just gonna thicken it up. Yes. You don't need a lot, guys. Or if you want, you can always use some flour. Yeah, plain flour. So I'm just gonna add it like so. You want to just mix it all in, and you're just gonna allow it, guys, to cook, because you want it to be soft but not too soft. The same bowl that I use to season my apple in, what I did, I add at least 3 spoons of water. Okay, make sure you don't add a lot. You don't need a lot, just a small amount. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add it to my apple. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna allow my apple to cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes, okay? And my stove is on a medium heat, and make sure you cover your pot so it cook nicely. So guys, it is all finished. Look at that. Nicely done. As you can see, guys, it is nice and soft, but as I said, not too soft. But this is perfect. Yes, that's perfect. You see the knife go right through it? That's exactly how you want it. And the sauce is all thick. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna cover my pot and just leave it to the side. Okay, so stay tuned. So I just remove it from my fridge, guys, and as you can see, I wrap it with cling film. So now I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is nice and firm and cold. So I'm just gonna add some of my plain flour to my board so it doesn't stick, like so. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna cut it in half. Just leave that to the side. I'm gonna also cut some more. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna take my roller, and you just wanna roll it like so. Just flip it over. And you're gonna allow it, guys, to be as flat as possible. Yeah. So guys, after it is all flat down, now I'm gonna take a sharp knife and just cut it like so. See that? Yes, that's how you want it. So as soon as you finish, you just want to leave it on a plate. Make sure that the plate is all dry, okay? Yes. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my filling, and you want to make sure, guys, that it is all cool, okay? Yes. You don't want to add too much, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna roll it. And what you can do, you can always remove the excess part from it. Just want to cut it to the side. Remove every excess flour. You're gonna take your time and just clip it, okay? With your fork, just press it down. They are very delicate, guys, so you have to take your time, okay? Just gonna put it to my plate. So guys, they are all finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my fridge for at least 15 minutes, okay? Yes, just for them to get firm up. And what you can do, you can just sprinkle some flour on top so it doesn't stick. Yes, but that's perfect, guys. Yeah. So guys, I just remove it from the fridge, and as you can see, it is nice and firm, and this is exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna fry it now. Yes, look at that. Perfect. So in my pot here, guys, I have some vegetable oil, and I add at least just over 2 cups. Yeah, and my pot is really big, so I'm gonna deep fry it. So make sure your oil is hot. I'm just gonna check it. As you can see, it is bubbling up. And make sure, guys, your stove is not turned up too high. Yes, at least on a medium heat. Yeah. So now I'm gonna fry it for at least 5 minutes. I'm not gonna add all of it. I'm gonna add at least 3 to 4. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over. Look at that, guys. So nice, so golden. Perfect. So now, guys, I'm gonna remove it now, okay? And I'm gonna put it to a cooling rack. Yes, because you want it to be nice and crispy. Look at that. Looks so good. So guys, my apple pies is all finished, and this is what it looks like. I'm telling you guys, they are so nice and so crispy and so flaky. Honestly, it is so good. Look at it, guys. It looks so perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sugar. This is totally optional, but I'm just gonna put my apple pie in my sugar like so. But as I said, it is optional. And what you want to do, you want to just brush off the excess sugar from it. Yeah. Like so. So now, guys, I'm gonna break in my apple pies and show you guys on the inside. Oh my goodness, look at that. So nice, so delicious. Honestly, guys, it came out so perfect. It looked amazing and it tastes delicious. My kids them enjoy it, especially my daughter. Guys, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more delicious videos like these, and hit your notification bell for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.